Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and as you see, we have got Model 1's 9D Galaxy Cat Eye polish. Comes along with black, the set that I bought off of Amazon for $12.99, and there's also a 5% off coupon. I painted two colors. Yeah, I did. I painted two colors. 2 nails black. Cured them for 60 seconds. We have got 2 magnets. The set only comes with 1. And we're going to really try our best. This is our 3rd video. First 2 are being scrapped because I couldn't get this to work. Got it to work this afternoon because all my hours of this morning didn't do no good. We're going to do the same thing on the side here. And then we're going to come at each other with the magnets. I don't think it worked. It didn't work. I don't know if we can redo this. Let's try. Oh! Yeah, that's not it. Get our polish again. Let me show you this brush. Look how fat that brush is. I think that would be all polish. No, but it's the brush. It be the brush. Wipe some polish back on your nail, or go over your nail with your brush. Take the side end of your magnet, wish I could see what I'm doing because I can't. So you can see that's not going well. We're going to go over to our thumb. I have filmed 3 videos. I was up half the night practicing, watching Guyleen's video over and over and over. Had someone on the horn with me this afternoon trying to figure this out, and I got it. Got it twice right in a row. No crumbs, no. I just got it. If I would have filmed right then and there, no problem. I would have had it. But no, I went back to work. And I'm gonna film this now. And I can't get it. I thought I had it. Well, I'm still gonna cure them. As you see, I got 2 more nails ready to go. I will show you the 2 that I did do earlier though. Let me cure Flexi. Whoops. Gotta start all over. I moved it. This is a really, really pretty polish. Like I said, this set was $12.99 off Amazon. If you order anything off Modelones.com directly, please use my code JustNailedIt10. I'll put it along the bottom of the screen. 10% off anything you order. Anything and everything. I know a lot of times they've got their sales where any bottle of nail polish is $2. And then you get to use the coupon code. How great is that? You can't go wrong. Save yourself some coins. And we are ladies on a budget. 8 seconds left on the lamp. We're going to cure those nails and top coat them. Then we're going to try 2 more times. On these 2 nails, I got my top coat Leaf Hue by Modelones. Leaf Hue is a sub-brand. I almost have this here. Almost, but not quite. Not quite. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60. And then we're going to take one of these nails. Got our 2 magnets. The set only comes with one, so I hope you have another. Wipe a lot of the excess off your brush because you don't need a whole slob amount. That didn't sound too good, did it? No, it didn't. You don't need a whole... Your nail don't need to be sloppy. Just put you a nice coat on there. Take the side of your magnet, and you should check to make sure your magnets are the same size. Whoops. Whoops. And my magnets are. Take your side, go along the edge real quick. Do the same thing over here. Whoops. Flex your hinges out of the lamp, so we will show you that really quick. I do like doing this. I just wish I could get it for you for my own sake. We are going to take these and we are going to hover them above. God, I wish I could get it. Earlier I kept getting a crop circle. Not really, but that's not going to work there. Or it didn't, so let's try this nail. This is our last nail, our last attempt. I will revisit this. I will keep practicing until I get it. Or until I run out of polish. One of the two, whichever comes first. Run the magnet down each side to the nail. Where to put them? That is wet. I'm not sure if I got it here or not. I got a circle of color, but I don't know. So we're going to stick these 2 in the lamp. And I'll be right back. Alright, we are back fresh out of the lamp. Here are our last 2 attempts. I don't know if you can see. Thought I had a circle, but not a cat eye, but excuse me. No. No. And these are all of our attempts today. I missed by 2 nails. Here I had some crop circles. Here are the two I did get. See the difference in these two versus the others I'm showing you? See the circle in the center? And these do not look like that. They do not look like that. See? But I did do it earlier. I swear I did. So these were my attempts. This does work. You just have to practice at it, get the right angles, and you can achieve it. I will keep practicing. I will revisit this until I get it right. Someday. Somehow. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? Right. Well, this is the end of my 90 Cat Eye gel polish video for today. Hopefully, if you have this, you can achieve this look where I failed. But please subscribe, click the bell, leave me a comment down below. As always, have a blessed day. Thank you.